Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor 400 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both devices and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Then allow all in the second one, and whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Honor and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Honor, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then access your files. Either way, I want to select a video too. After selecting all of your files, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it? In here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close ads. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!